Hi guys, got some leftover Choco Snaps. We buy them for our grandsons and they never eat them all. They only ran out last July. It's only 6 months out of date. Still, we got some. Got some chocolate. Nanny's boiled the kettle. So we're going to melt the chocolate. Add some syrup. Mix them all in together. And then make little cupcakes with them. Fancy chocolate. So the idea is we boil the water. That heats the chocolate indirectly rather than trying to heat the chocolate directly in a saucepan. That's right.
Marie.
Oh, Ban Marie. Nice one, Ban. Marie. Bath. Ban. French, I know that bit. What about the Marie?
I don't know.
Marie's bath. When you watch me doing this, it may look like my hand looks very much like Nanny's hand. This is cooking Grandad style, getting Nanny to do it. Just beginning to melt around the edges. On the subject of dates, chocolate, 29th of the 11th, 2023. So 23, 24. Oh, it's only about 14 months out of date. Oh, it's melted. Oh, apparently not. Still a few lumps. See, that hand looks just like mine, doesn't it?
You took that in.
I have to put the camera down. I've got to assist. Sit that lot in there. That's it. Just got to cool down now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nanny has just pointed out that the golden syrup is also best before end of 11/2023. So we got a complete set there. All of them well out of date. Nanny has explained that adding the golden syrup, or treacle as I was calling it, is to soften it a bit for when you're eating it, so they're not too crunchy for us old people who've got delicate teeth. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.